Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, sister.
Can we add in the Nikah Nama a condition that the husband asks for her permission before going for second marriage or remarriage?
Sister, in a Nikah Nama, since Nikah Nama is a misakh, a sacred covenant, as the Quran says in Surah Nisa and in other places in the Quran, you can put in any condition as long as it is not against the Sharia. In short, you can put any condition which is optional. For example, marrying more than one wife is optional. So very well you can put the condition in your Nikah Nama that I will marry you under the condition that as long as I am your wife, you will not take a second wife. But you cannot put any condition which is haram. You cannot say that I will marry you if you have alcohol, because drinking alcohol is haram. And you cannot put in any condition that you should not do things which are fard. For example, you cannot say that you should not offer salah, then only will I marry you. Offering salah is fard. So you can put any condition which is optional. You can prevent him from doing anything which is optional. You can force him to do something which is optional. But you cannot prevent him from doing something which is fard, or you cannot ask him to do something which is haram. So as long as these things are not going outside the purview of the Islamic Sharia, you can put in the clause that I will marry you as long as you don't take any other wife, or you can put the condition that even I would like to give, like if I want, even I can give divorce. Because the right to give divorce is given to the husbands, to the males. But if the woman wants, even she can put a clause in the Nikah Nama that even if I want, I can give you unilateral divorce. This is called as Isma or Talaq Tawfeed. So these things which are optional can be put in the Nikah Nama. If the husband agrees, fine, he can go to the Nikah Nama and he can go to the Nikah. Or if he feels that no, I don't want to marry such a woman as put the clause, he'll search for someone else and the girl will search for someone else. Hope that answers the question, sister.